Hello friends, welcome to bioassembling. In this session, I will learn about endoplasmic reticulum and their structure and function. Let's get start the session. First of all, endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a network of interconnected internal membrane, generally the largest membrane in the eukaryotic cell. Means reticulum is a network of internal membrane and it is a larger organ in eukaryotic cell. An existence network of closed flattened membrane bounded sacs is called cisterna. The endoplasmic reticulum coined by Porter in 1953. Porter gives the name endoplasmic reticulum in 1953. Who observed in electron micrographs of liver cell, endoplasmic reticulum has the number of function in the cell but particularly important in synthesis of lipid membrane protein and secreted proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum has number of function but its main function is synthesis of lipids, membrane protein and secreted protein. These are the structure of eukaryotic cell. Here you can see that the endoplasmic reticulum is attached to nucleus and inside the nucleus DNA is contained, and outside of endoplasmic reticulum Golgi body is present. You can see that the green structure is Golgi body, and you can see the mitochondria here, and these are the component of eukaryotic cell. These are the cell membrane or inside the cell membrane cytoplasm are present. Occurrence of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is in eukaryote with variation in its position from cell to cell. Means endoplasmic reticulum vary from cell to cell. That means the erythrocyte or RBC, egg and embryonic cell lack in endoplasmic reticulum. Means erythrocyte, eggs and embryonic cell do not contain the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is poorly developed in certain cells as the RBC, which produce only protein to be retained in the cytoplasmic matrix. Means endoplasmic reticulum do not develop or less develop in RBC. RBC only produce protein molecule. So endoplasmic reticulum is less developed in RBC. Although cell may contain many ribosome, although RBC contain many ribosomes, the spermatocytes have poorly developed endoplasmic reticulum, and spermatocyte also have poorly developed endoplasmic reticulum. These all are about the occurrence. Next we study about morphological structure of endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum occur in three forms: laminar or cisterna, which is closed fluid filled sac; vesicle or cavity is called cisterna. Laminar form or cisterna form is a closed fluid filled sac, means it contains fluid filled inside the sac, and vesicles or cavity is called cisterna. Second, vesicular or vesicle, and third is tubular or tubules. Means three structure are present. First one laminar or is also called cisterna, second is vesicular, and third is tubular or tubules. First of all, I study about cisterna. Cisterna are long flattened sac-like unbranched tubules, have diameter of 40 to 50 micrometer. Means cisterna is long flattened and tubule-like structure which have diameter of 40 to 50 micrometer. They remain arranged parallelly in the bundles or stakes, and rough endoplasmic reticulum mostly exists as a cisterna, which occur in those cells which have synthetic role as cell of pancreas, notochord and brain. means rough endoplasmic reticulum present in cisterna and in those cell which have synthetic role. That means its cell contain pancreas, notochord and brains. Next, vesicles. Next we study about vesicle. The vesicle are oval membrane bound vacuolar structure having diameter of 25 to 500 micrometer, and they often remain isolated in the cytoplasm and occur in most cell but especially abundant in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Vesicles are oval membrane bound vacuolar structure and having diameter of 25 to 500 micrometer. 25 to 500 micrometer, and they are often isolated in the cytoplasm and occur most cell but especially abundant in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Tubules are branched structure forming the reticular system and along with the cisterna and vesicle, and they usually the diameter of 90 to 100 micrometer and occur almost in the all cell. Means tubules are branched structure. You can see that these are tubules like structure, and it is formed branched, and its diameter about 50 to 190 micrometer. 50 to 190 micrometer. And tubules form endoplasmic reticulum often found in SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and dynamic in nature, that is associated with membrane movement, fusion between membrane and cytocavity network. This all about the morphological structure. First of all, cisterna, second vesicle, and third tubules. When we talk about the ultrastructure of endoplasmic reticulum, ultrastructure contain cavity of cisterna, vesicles, tubules in the endoplasmic reticulum and bounded by the thin membrane of 50 to 60 angstrom thickness. The membrane of endoplasmic reticulum is fluid mosaic like unit membrane of the plasma membrane. Fluid mosaic model of plasma membrane model like a membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. Nucleus and Golgi bodies. The membrane of endoplasmic reticulum remain continue with the membrane of plasma membrane, nuclear membrane and Golgi apparatus. Means endoplasmic reticulum is remain continue with plasma membrane, nuclear membrane and Golgi apparatus. These all are continuous structure form. These are nucleus and their endoplasmic reticulum is attached, and their Golgi body is also attached. So these are continually structure. You can see that the structure continuous structure. The cavity of endoplasmic reticulum is well developed and act as a passage for the secretory product. Means endoplasmic reticulum's cavity are well developed and it work as a passage of secretory product. Palade in the year 1956 observed secretory granules. I study about it. Ribosomes in the cavity of endoplasmic reticulum are making the rough in appearance because ribosomes are present in the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. So it's form a rough appearance. Next, membrane of endoplasmic reticulum contain many kinds of enzymes which are needed for various important synthetic activity. Means endoplasmic reticulum contain necessary enzymes and which are necessary for synthetic activity. Some of the most common enzymes are found in by different transverse distribution of endoplasmic reticulums. Transverse means these are transverse distribution. The most important enzymes are steerase NADH cytochrome C reductase, NADH diasporase, glucose 6 phosphate, and magnesium ion. Magnesium ion is necessary for activate ATPase. ATPase enzyme is needed magnesium ion for activation. Certain enzymes of the endoplasmic reticulum such as nucleotide diphosphate are involved in biosynthesis of phospholipid ascorbic acid and glucuronide steroids and hexose metabolism. Means certain enzymes of endoplasmic reticulum is necessary for synthesis of ascorbic acid, glucuronide steroids and hexose metabolism. So this all about the enzymes that are present in endoplasmic reticulum. These are the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. You can see that the structure, these are the nucleus and endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is attached to nuclear membrane, and you can see red dot, and these are the ribosomes present in the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum. And outside of rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, you can see that structure, and these are the ribosome are not present in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, so it forms the smooth structure. And the continuous structure is you can see that the Golgi apparatus, means endoplasmic reticulum form the continuous structure to nuclear membrane, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi body, and these all are the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. First of all, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, or SER, appear to be like a smooth surface. You can see the structure of ribosome are not present in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and it forms smooth surface. When it viewed with electron microscope, as do not count ribosome. Means when we see in electron microscopic view, ribosome are absent in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They are known as agranular endoplasmic reticulum. A smooth endoplasmic reticulum is also called agranular endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum play a vital role in the production, storage, secretion of the steroids hormone and lipids. Means it play a vital role in the production of storage and secretion of hormones and lipids. It also help in manufacturing process of new membrane and metabolism of carbohydrate. Means smooth endoplasmic reticulum also help in manufacturing process of new membrane and metabolism of carbohydrate. Means when we talk about function of a smooth endoplasmic reticulum, its main function is production, storage, and secretion of hormones and lipid, and manufacture of the new membrane and metabolism of carbohydrate. In the cell of mammals, smooth endoplasmic reticulum play a vital role in detoxify the reaction of the drugs and other metabolic wastes. In the liver cell, it provides the enzyme glucose 6 phosphate, which continuously take part in the metabolism of smooth endoplasmic reticulum in is organized form of rough endoplasmic reticulum when there is misalignment of the ribosome. It helps in the transportation of proteins but does not take part in the protein synthesis. Means a smooth endoplasmic reticulum does not take part in synthesis of protein. It helps only the transportation of protein. Let's when we come about a rough endoplasmic reticulum or RER look like a uneven surface because of the presence of ATS ribosome when viewed in the electron microscope. When we view in the electron microscope, ATS ribosome are present in the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum, so it's uneven surface like structure, and it is also known as granular endoplasmic reticulum. And you I study about smooth endoplasmic reticulum is called agranular endoplasmic reticulum, but rough endoplasmic reticulum is called granular endoplasmic reticulum. The main function of rough endoplasmic reticulum is to take part in protein synthesis and help in the transportation of protein to other parts But in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, we see that it uh, it helps to transport of protein, not for the synthesis of protein. But in rough endoplasmic reticulum, it takes part in the synthesis of protein and also transportation of protein from other part. It play an important role in to manufacture of pack, sort, and transport the secretory protein like antibodies, insulin, blood clotting protein, enzyme, collagen, mucin, etc. Means it rough endoplasmic reticulum main function is manufacture of salt and transport the secretory protein. It helps in transport the secretory protein like antibodies, insulin, blood clotting protein, enzymes, collagen, mucin, etc. In cell like fibroblast, goblet cells, hepatic cells, pancreatic cells, and B lymphocytes. Means transportation occur from hepatic cell, pancreatic cell, and B lymphocyte. So this all about the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Let's come to the function of smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum. First of all, smooth endoplasmic reticulum provide an ultra-structural skeletal framework to cell and give the mechanical support of the colloidal cytoplasmic matrix. Means first of all, endoplasmic reticulum provide the structural support to the cell and skeletal framework, and it also give mechanical support of colloidal cytoplasmic inside the cell. Second, the exchange of molecule by the process of osmosis. Through the process of osmosis, molecule are exchanged and diffusion and active transport occur through the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum has permeases and carrier. Means the endoplasmic reticulum contain permease and carrier inside their surface. With the help of these molecules are transport. Third, endoplasmic reticulum contain many enzymes which perform various synthetic and metabolic activity and provide increase the surface of various enzymatic reaction. Means endoplasmic reticulum contain many enzymes and which perform various synthetic and metabolic activity. Next, fourth, the endoplasmic reticulum act as an intracellular circulatory and transporting system. Various secretory product or granular endoplasmic reticulum are transported to various organelles are as follow. Means rough endoplasmic reticulum or granular endoplasmic reticulum transport various secretory products to the membrane of Golgi membrane, lysosomes, transport vesicles, secretory granules. Membrane flow may also be an important mechanism for carrying particles, molecules, and ions into and out of the cell. Means membrane flow means molecule exit and enter the cell is an important mechanism. Through these particles and ions and molecules are in and out of the cell. Export of RNA and nucleoprotein from nucleus to cytoplasm may also occur by the this type of flow. Means this type of flow RNA molecules then this type of flow RNA molecules exports into out and nucleoprotein nucleus cytoplasm also occur by the this type of endoplasmic reticulum flow. Fifth, the endoplasmic reticulum are found to conduct intracellular impulses. For example, sarcoplasmic reticulum transmit impulse from surface membrane to deep region of the muscle fiber. Means endoplasmic reticulum are also found in the intracellular impulses, and it help to transmit impulses from surface membrane to the deep region of muscle fiber. This all about the function of endoplasmic reticulum. So when we come to conclusion, first of all, endoplasmic reticulum is an intraconnected internal and membrane, generally largest membrane of the eukaryotic cell. Means endoplasmic reticulum is the largest membrane in eukaryotic cell and it intraconnected internal membrane. Second, endoplasmic reticulum is continuous structure formed to connected with nucleus and Golgi bodies. You can see this structure. It connect with nucleus and Golgi body. Third, occurrence. When we talk about the occurrence of endoplasmic reticulum, it mainly the endoplasmic reticulum do not contain, means endoplasmic reticulum absent in erythrocytes, egg embryonic cell, and it poorly develop in RBC, and because RBC less are present, proteins are present in cytoplasmic matrix of RBC, and spermatocytes have poorly developed endoplasmic reticulum. Fourth, when we talk about morphological structure, first laminar, vesicle and tubular forms are present, and when we talk about the ultrastructure of endoplasmic reticulum, it contains cisterna, vesicle and tubules, and bounded by thin membrane which has 50 to 60 angstrom at thickness, and and secretory molecules are present in the ultrastructure of endoplasmic reticulum, and it secretes many kinds of enzymes that are needed for various synthetic activities. These are the enzymes that are needed for synthetic activity. These are the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. You can see that the rough endoplasmic reticulum or RER, which contains the ribosome present in the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum, and it continually forms the smooth endoplasmic reticulum outside the rough endoplasmic reticulum. These ribosome are not absent in the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and this is our vesicles, and these are Golgi bodies, and these are lysosomes. And endoplasmic reticulum attached to nuclear membrane. Common function as it provide mechanical support, exchange of molecule in and out of the cell, and it contain many enzyme for metabolical activity and synthesis of various products. And endoplasmic reticulum help in intracellular circulatory transporting system, and membrane found in intracellular impulses. Endoplasmic reticulum also found in intracellular impulses. It, for example, sarcoplasmic reticulum, it transmit impulse from deep region of the muscle fiber. This all about the endoplasmic reticulum. I hope you well understand. If you like this session, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.